Hey everyone, welcome to Living It Country. I'm Holly, and today we're gonna do a little bit of a nighttime routine. It's 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I don't have dinner ready, and I need to get something really easy in the oven because hubby will be home anytime soon, and I need something easy and yummy. So tonight we're gonna be making Joanna Gaines's new recipe called the corn casserole from her new volume 2 book, and I'm really excited. It's like a dump and go kind of casserole. It's super easy, anybody can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. So while that's cooking, I'm going to have you guys come back out here with me. We're gonna go over here to my famous white bench. This is the bench I always get questions about, and I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the chippiness, the Farmhouse kind of chippy look, but I'm going to take some photos of some home decor on here. We're going to have the photos all ready to go so that when this pandemic is over, I can have them, the pictures ready to go, and post on Facebook Marketplace. I do not want to be posting anything right now. It's such a bad time to sell things. Nobody's buying anything, and the last thing I want is sending things, right? Home germs and all of that kind of stuff. So I don't know what it is, but this white bench is the key to me getting rid of things that I don't want anymore. It's like I don't know what it is, but this helps me sell things that I don't want anymore. So we're gonna do that, and then tonight we are gonna go into the living room, and we have a new projector, and it's a super tiny projector. It looks like it's a kid projector, but it is the real deal, and our whole wall gets huge with Netflix movies and Disney movies, and it's such a good time. My kids love it, my husband loves it, and I love it. So we'll have some popcorn there, so there's kind of like a corn thing going on tonight. I don't know, it wasn't planned, but we're gonna do that. And we're just gonna have a really fun, relaxing night tonight, and you guys might see me editing some videos or filming if I do have time for that. So today's video is a collab with my friend Kaylin Cash, and Kaylin is a mommy, and she shares all things cleaning, cooking, and just mom life on her channel, also home decor. And I actually met Kaylin 2 years ago. We were both featured with Lisa from Farmhouse on Boone. We were featured on a show called, not Home Talk, what was it? Right This Minute. So we were on TV together, which is pretty cool. Not YouTube TV, but real TV live on CBS. It was so cool. And so when I saw the feature, I reached out to Kaylin and was like, hey, we were just on TV together, and that's how we met. So pretty cool story. I don't even know if Kaylin remembers that because it was a while ago. But we're gonna go ahead and get cooking away because hubby's gonna need some food in his tummy. So let's go ahead and get started. Welcome to my home, and I hope you guys get inspired and love this video. Let's come on in. Okay friends, we are in the kitchen. We're gonna make the corn casserole. I just finished melting the butter, and we're gonna pull up on my phone my Kindle ebook where I bought the book. So I had problems with ordering the book. It ended up being back ordered or something. So I ordered it off of Kindle right here, so you can see my phone's kind of dirty looking, but this is the Magnolia Table Volume 2, and I'm really excited about it. I've browsed through it a little bit, and I've browsed also through the first one. I never ordered the first one, but I browsed through it, and I kind of wish that I would have got the first one over the second one if I was to pick between the two. But I have it linked down below in the description box, and I'm going to put this recipe so you can at least try one recipe from the Magnolia Table 2 book in the description box as well. I am going, it's about, let's see, it's 5:17 now. And in between what you just saw, I recorded another video, and that will be up on Friday. So it's gonna be a home tour video, which is what a lot of people know me from. I share home tours, and I absolutely love it. I kind of call it like my TV show, so it's like a series. Today we have Ashley from our 1917 farmhouse here today. She is sharing her home yet again. So I really enjoyed that, sharing inspiration that way. We're gonna go ahead and get cooking away. I'm gonna grab my Verb energy bar. Let's see, I'm gonna grab the salted peanut butter. I have this link down below too. These are my favorite energy bars. I've got a few, but this is my particular favorite from Verb. And if you guys wanna get a free 4-pack, I have a link down in the description box below, which is an awesome deal. and you just pay 95 cents in shipping, which is amazing. And they're also donating a bunch to healthcare workers right now during this pandemic, so your order will help them, which is absolutely amazing. Let's go ahead and get started cooking away. I literally have to be fast at this and get this in the oven in the next 2 minutes, so let's go ahead and get started. So I don't have any spray, so I'm just gonna use some vegetable oil to put in my pan. That way it doesn't stick. Okay, so I have the 2 types of corn in there. I have unsalted butter, cheese, Jiffy corn mix. I've got eggs, I've got, did I say chili? I got garlic powder, and I just need salt and pepper. A little tiny bit of salt. Okay, you guys, here we go. I'd love to know in the comment section, what are you guys cooking for dinner? I'd love to know. I'm not a cooking channel, but I just thought that this would be a super easy, fun recipe and kind of share with you guys a little bit into my life. Hi, buddy. Hi, baby.
Mommy.
Hi, baby. Are you going to eat some of this?
No.
Oh, you're not? Oh, no. I feel like some baked potatoes would go really, really good with this. I don't know why carrots sound good.
Mommy, eat mine.
Shoes.
Yeah. Want to come with me?
We are gonna go ahead and put this in the oven for an hour. I don't have a vlogging camera, so my camera is a big camera. So to take you guys with me is really, really hard sometimes. So I either have my cameraman hubby, my camera woman mom, or a tripod, which tripod is today. So we're gonna put this in the oven, we're gonna eat some dinner. I think we're gonna go outside for a walk. We just installed some new trees. I'm gonna show you guys that. And then we're gonna have a little movie night. We're gonna take you along with that. Okay, our dinner is ready and looks so delicious. Okay, so those are the pieces that I am going to be listing. So we have this happy fall y'all sign, we've got a little lamb, we have some coasters, we have a little birdhouse, we've got like a little tray, we've got a round wood, kind of, I don't know what it's called, but a platform thing. We got a grocery sign, and then that's a picture of my son. But I'm selling these things to declutter and get rid of the things that are just been in storage I don't need, and when I sell things I typically put it towards my kids or DIY projects. So I feel like I'm always getting rid of clothes, and I can never sell my kids' clothes as good as I can home decor. I don't know what it is. Maybe I'm just better at it. I don't know. I'd love to know in the comments below if you're the same way too. But I use it towards clothes. For my kids a lot of the times, we get Target brands Cat and Jack. That's like my main jam because my girl loves their, I think they're like $4 or $5 leggings. She wears those. She refuses to wear jeans, and all the shirts are really cute. And so I just kind of have gone along with that with my son, and so he wears all things Cat and Jack brand too. So it's just kind of our family thing, and it works for us. It's super, super inexpensive, and so when my kids are playing around outside and get, you know, them trashed, I'm not, you know, too upset. I'm not upset at all. So that's kind of what's going on. We are gonna go inside. I ended up eating dinner already, and I ended up making my kids a different dinner because they did not like the corn casserole. So super bummer, but I absolutely loved it. My hubby rated it a 5 out of 10. I would have rated it a 10 out of 10, and then we had a Costco chicken with that. So, you know, they're $5 or $6 chicken, and it was super, super yummy. I'm gonna go inside, and I just finished filming another video, and then we're gonna have a little movie night with the CineMood, CineMood, I can't remember what it's called, but it's the coolest home theater system ever, and this was in the kids' Easter basket video. If you guys missed that, I'll link that right above here. So a lot of fun things in my kids' Easter basket this year that are great for just all year round. So really great for the virus going on right now to keep your kids occupied, and we decided to get the kids things for Easter that are activities and super fun. So let's go ahead and go inside and finish up our evening. Okay, so the kids are getting into bed. I'm gonna show you guys the movie theater projector.
Mommy.
Right now, it's gonna actually go onto this whole wall right here.
Mommy.
Yeah, baby.
I'll go, Mommy.
And Ari's gonna turn the light off in just a second, but she is getting dressed, so we're not gonna show her. But let me take you guys over here to where the projector is. Honey. Okay, so we just turned on the projector. Look at that, you guys. We're gonna turn on some Disney movies on our projector. How cool is this, you guys? I have a link down below with a coupon code. If you guys use that, you guys can save money off of a case. So they've got these really cool kid cases for the Storyteller projector, which can be used outside. It can be used on the airplane. It can be used in a living room, anything like this. And it's a really high quality, which I was super impressed with. But if you guys use my code, yeah, we're gonna put a movie on. You can actually get a free case, which unlocks even more movies. So we're actually gonna put the Kitty Cat movie on. It's the Disney Princess's Kitty Cats. And we're going to put that on right here. Whisker Haven. This is what we've been watching the past week, and so fun. They've got Disney's, it's like talks about safety and stuff, but it's The Lion King. So many different things on here, and you can actually hook up Netflix, which is pretty sweet. So I'm gonna go make some popcorn and we're gonna have movie night. Hey you guys, I'm gonna go enjoy some quality time with the babies in bed, have a nice movie night. As you guys can see, by the end of the evening, I do look like a pretty crazy mess. So I'm gonna enjoy some time with my kids. We are gonna watch Whisker Haven. All I know is that it's a kitty cat show with Disney princesses, and I typically am like, you know, because it's a kid show. So anyways, I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and I hope you guys check out my good friend Kaylin Cash, and I will see you guys later on Living It Country. Bye.